Some people say motorcyclists are the thrill-happiest sportsmen around. Some say skiers are. So when you combine the two into one sport, there's no doubt as to the outcome. For some reason, they've actually tried it in Czechoslovakia. And if you're not the type to whimper at a fractured skull, you gotta admit it could be fun. What are broken bones between friends? On with the race. Whoops. Most fun of all is when you pass the motorcycle. Get right in front, Charlie. That's really a laugh. No? Scaredy cat. On they come, streaking across the finish. The winners. You know, seems like nobody quite got their names, what with the excitement and all.